Sometimes love fades, not with shouting, but with silence. Two people sitting at the same table, but feeling miles apart. Then one morning, a hand reaches out. No words, just a touch, a beginning. They remember what they had, the dancing, the laughter, the way they used to love without trying. So they talk, not perfectly, but honestly, and something begins to shift. Trust, safety, softness returns. And when they finally hold each other, it's not about fixing everything. It's about choosing each other again, one small step at a time.